Welcome back. It's time to talk about some macro cues that we are tracking this Wednesday morning. The second quarter of the July to September GDP will be announced today at 5:30 p.m. A CNBC-TV18 poll sees this coming at 6.4%, down from 13.5% in quarter one. Lata Venkatesh is joining us with her take and what is expected this time. Lata.
Yes, that's right. The second quarter GDP is expected to come in at 6.4%, higher than year-ago levels. Remember, the first quarter was 13.5% higher, but it was below RBI expectation. At 6.4, it will be more or less in line with what RBI expects. A year ago, of course, the growth was 8.4%. Now, the 6.4 is the growth. The actual output is expected to come at about 38.05 lakh crore. And if that number is right, it will be about 3.2% higher than first quarter, which is a very good number. Second quarter normally comes almost in line with first quarter because it's a monsoon quarter. But if it comes at 38.05 lakh crore, it would be a very good number. Going within the GDP, agriculture is expected to grow by 3.2%, much like last year, second quarter. What will be a disappointment will be manufacturing. It's expected to not grow at all. It could be a 0 or maximum, less than 1%. That's because a lot of industries were affected by lack of coal, lack of fuel, lack of raw material. The services sector is the one that will do very well. Trade, hotels, financial services, public administration, all of them are expected to come over 8%, maybe 8.5 to 8.6%. When it comes to GDP from the demand side, the private consumption is expected to be very good at 12% higher, and government consumption slightly more modest at 9.5% higher. Gross fixed capital formation will be up 20%, but that's more because the base over the last 2 years has been a bit weak. But let's wait and see what the overall number comes at.